This is a cross-platform, data center monitoring tool that runs on GNU Linux, macOS, Windows, and BSD operating systems. It is written in Python language using the sutil library from where it draws information from the system, giving you as much as you need at a glance. You can use Glance to monitor load average, CPU, memory, disk I/O, network interfaces, mounted devices, file system space utilization, plus all active and top processes. One of its main features is the ability to set thresholds in a configuration file with 4 options displayed in different colors that indicate the logjam in the system: OK, green, careful, blue, warning, violet, and critical, red. The threshold levels are set at 50, 70, and 90 for careful, warning, and critical levels respectively. You can customize these using the glances conf file found in the /etc glances/ directory. View critical information such as the average CPU load, disk I/O read-write speeds, current disk usage from mounted devices, and top processes together with their CPU memory usage. The downside with having all this information is that Glances tends to use a significant amount of CPU resources. If you need help with Glances, there are wikis available on their website. You can also contact other developers and users on Twitter, chat for developers, and user groups. Step 1. Glances installation. Glances provide installation scripts for Linux system. You can use one of the following methods to install Glances on your system. Using Package Manager, sudo apt install Glances. Step 2, run glances in standalone mode. After installation completed, you will get glances command available on your system. You can run glances in standalone mode using command line access. This will show all the details in current terminal. Let's watch the output of glances command. Step 3, run glances in web mode instead of standalone version. Glances also provide web mode, where you can see the results in a web browser. Following command: start glances web server on default port 61208. You can simply access your server using IP and port in any web browser. Let's watch the output of glances command, glances W. Now your system and web browser using IP or FQDN on port 61208.